Good day everyone. In this video, I will teach you how to create attached documents. Let's focus on the step to ensure that this is implemented properly and effectively. Before we begin discussing how to create attached documents, let's talk about the purpose of this. So the purpose of this is to keep all relevant files and information organized and easily accessible. It allows users to link important documents such as invoices, receipts, or contracts directly to specific transactions or records. So first, accessing back office. So you go into the back office. So we're ready here in back office. So you can log in your username and your password. So you can type the username and your password. So click this login. Then go to the setup and locate this attached document. So click this. So we're ready here in attached documents. So you can select the type of transactions of which you want to attach documents. For example, the purchase order or the supplier invoice. For example, like this. Then after that, you can type the transaction number. For example, 1. The description is sales invoice update. Then you can choose the file. So click this, go to the downloads, and you click this. And after that, you can click the add new. So as you can see, the attachment has been inserted. So after that, you can refresh. Then as you can see, the supplier invoice, they have the attachment document, the sales invoice and the sales invoice. So this is the process on how to attach documents.